Uh-oh, Milo. Here comes the vacuum. It's coming into the family room first, then it's going to go into the kitchen. Let's get to the cool GoPro shot. Does the same patterns every time. Get your nice, clean, crisp lines every time. So here's a quick view of the app. It is very cool. Obviously you can see you can start a new job. Shows a picture of it, lets you know that it's fully charged. Your favorites, you want it to vacuum a certain area. You can set up a schedule. So every day of the week, you can tell it to go to a certain location. You can also, shows the history. Click the history. Tells you how many square feet so far since you've had the device that it has vacuumed. If there's any errors, let's see, it shows you yesterday I had it vacuum. Here's a map of what my house is laid out, and that's the area in green that it vacuumed. Those areas in red are the off-limit areas, and you can do all that through the map. And if you decide that you want to pick this thing up and place it on another floor in your house, level should I say, I had let's see here, one other cool thing I wanted to show you on the app is it's got to vacuum your area probably 2 or 3 times at least, and then a map will show up here and it'll show your whole house. So like I had it mainly on the main floor, and in the upstairs I just took it up there, mapped out, did it a couple times. It just does the certain things on the upstairs. And if you look at the main floor, you can see all the areas, right? You can label them by room. You have the ability to name it whatever you want, right? And the blue areas are extra spots if I just wanted to go vacuum the rug in the family room. it's right there. I hit the button, it'll go there. Dog zone, table zone, the kitchen. So you can break it down to different areas of your house that you want it to vacuum. You also have on the app, you can look at your robot health. Tells you when you should change the filter, clean it, the edge sweeping brush whenever you need to replace that. This says I have 114 hours left before I should change that brush out. The dual surface brushes, there's still 270 hours left on those, and you can order that stuff. And as you look down here in the shop accessories, and whatever ones you own, that will pop up, and you can order these things right off the app, which is kind of nice. Excuse me there. Bravo Jet M6, I own that as well, and I will probably do a review on that at a later date. Here's one other cool thing too, the robot settings. It's got cleaning preferences, which you can clean. It's a daily clean. Bin is full. You can answer on these what size room, a daily clean, extra clean. Let's see what else we got. Bin is full. Obviously, if it gets full, I do not want it to clean. It'll go back to the cleaning or the docking station. And also, you can, it sets up your Wi-Fi settings. You can reboot it, all that good stuff on the app. That is pretty much